All right, so let's talk about some key points. We are in the very first section of part 1. The first sentence we read was, "It was a pleasure to burn." And the last sentence was Montag saying, "Am I what?" We see some things here in the first section that are going to continue throughout the books. The first one is animal imagery. For example, in the first paragraph of this section, Montag is on a job. He's burning a house with books in it, and he uses a hose to spray kerosene on the books. Look at how the speaker describes it. "This great python spitting its venomous kerosene upon the world." So we have a python, in a few pages, a cobra, a puff adder, even a dragon will be mentioned. The fire truck is referred to as a salamander. We'll also have insects in here, bees, wasps, spiders, all to refer to the different technological advancements, the gadgets that this society has. Now, what do all these animals have in common? They are cold-blooded. When you call a person cold-blooded, you mean that they are callous, they're cruel, they're unfeeling. So Montag is surrounded by things that in our minds we associate with being unfeeling. Also, keep an eye on what animals are mentioned as the book goes on. How does animal imagery shift from the beginning of the book to the end? Next thing I want you to notice are Montag's physical actions in those first few paragraphs. First off, he is on a job. He is burning a house and he enjoys it. He enjoys this close proximity to the fire. He enjoys that feeling of when it gets too hot and it forces him back. Then when he gets back to the firehouse, instead of sliding down the fire pole, he just jumps down. He lets himself fall and then he grabs the pole at the last second so he doesn't smash into the floor. He is running on adrenaline. He is purposely taking chances and putting himself in danger. He is looking for that experience of the near miss. And we learned from Clarice that Montag isn't unusual. This is an ultra fast moving society. All of their extra time they spend at amusement parks on these whirling rides. They're in constant motion, or they race their cars. They're playing chicken out on the freeways. This is a society that is desperate for a thrill. That's part of why Clarice is so confusing. She's so bewildering to Montag because she moves at this very slow pace. She focuses on these small things surrounding her. So that tells us about Montag, but also about the larger society that he lives in.